Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by quitting Rocket League and opening the game client you use. On PC, open Steam and find Rocket League in your library. On console, confirm system language settings. The reason is the game reads the platform or launch parameters at start. Once done, note the exact language name you want. Spelling matters. Make sure you have a backup of the game's config folder in case you need to revert. This keeps you safe while we apply the only supported change method. Now modify how the game starts by adding a launch parameter. On Steam, right-click Rocket League, choose Properties, then set Launch Options. Type Language English or your chosen language name and save. On other launchers, use similar command line settings or change the platform language if launch options aren't available. Consoles rely on system language. The reason we do this is to force the localization at startup. Once applied, start the game and verify menus and subtitles reflect your selection. Finish by confirming the change inside Rocket League, check menus, HUD, and voice audio. If nothing changed, quit the game, double-check the launch options spelling, and relaunch the client. Sometimes the launcher caches old parameters. If problems persist, temporarily remove the option and test, then try a different valid language code. As a final tip, restore your backup config if localization breaks layouts or causes errors. That returns the game to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.